cinnamon rolls, the breakfast food for people who pretend to be morning people.
But we're elevating those doughy darlings, twisting it, literally, into a wreath. Because if you're going to serve sugar before 10 a.m., at least make it seasonal.
You could say we're pretty twisted. We start with soft, pillowy dough. Homemade if you're ambitious, store-bought if you're honest.
Oh. Now the filling. Butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and this.
Yes, we're putting habanero in the cinnamon roll. No, we haven't lost our minds.
Spread it generously, roll it tightly, then slice and shape into a wreath. Because nothing says holiday joy like baked goods pretending to be decor. Bake until golden, then glaze. But not too much. This isn't a PTA potluck, Brenda, it's art.
Will it impress your Aunt Linda? Yes.
Will she ask for the recipe between bites? Also yes.
Will we give it to her?
No.